Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve too many requests on Stumble Guys. To know how to fix or how to solve too many requests on Stumble Guys, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this list we'll search about this window of Stumble Guys. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we will enter the storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps you can turn off your Wi-Fi. We'll wait 3 seconds and you can turn off your Wi-Fi again to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.